Alright everyone, if you want to catch trades like this on a classic turtle soup strategy, we are going to use the Flux Charts turtle soup indicator, and we are going to backtest this over a few trades and see what's the results. So let's get straight to the video. Alright, so what we wait for is when we have price, we want a turtle soup to happen. Now a turtle soup is where we're going to take the resting liquidity and then price is going to reverse and continue to the opposite direction. So how this entry model works with the Flux Charts turtle soup indicator, we are going to wait for liquidity to be taken. You'll see the indicator is going to make a circle for you when liquidity has been taken, and then as soon as we have a market structure shift, we are going to get a signal that's going to say buy or sell, and then we're going to target, then we're going to enter our trade. We are going to use the stop loss and the TP that the indicator is providing. We are going to take break even at a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Then we're going to go for break even. So if price, we enter right over here and we get at 1-to-1, we are going to break even, and then we're going to target a fixed TP that the indicator is giving us. Really simple strategy, and this works vice versa. So we wait for liquidity, we wait for the signal, we enter, we have a break even trade at 1-to-1, and then we're going to target a fixed TP that the indicator is giving us. So what you want to do, you want to go to indicators, you want to type in Flux Charts turtle soup, and it's going to be this one right over here. It's a free indicator. Also check out Flux Charts, link is in the description. They have some awesome premium indicators like the price action toolkit. If you are anyone from a price action trader, a liquidity trader, an ICT trader, awesome tool to go look at. They have a few backtesters, a few automations. Go check out Flux Charts. All right, so here you can see we have the liquidity that's being targeted from the previous one. So now you will see there's this circle that has been created. The circle is red, so we are waiting for a sell signal. So let's quickly see. So this piece of price action took out this liquidity right over there, and this is why this circle is being created. So when we play price forward, there we have our entry signal. So now you can see the indicator is giving us a SL, the indicator is giving us a TP, and then we are going to enter our trade right over there where the signal is given. So that's where we are going to enter. We're going to target a 1-to-1, so we can just get our break even point. So our break even point is going to be right over there. Going to enter our trade, to enter 2 positions, and then we are going to wait for it. So let's just move this S out there. There we go. So as soon as we get to break even, we are going to go to break even, and we're going to close one position as well. There we have our break even trade, and we have our TP that's hit. So we're going to close these trades. And there you go. As you can see, beautiful trade. So let's look at the next example. All right, so here's the next example. As you can see, we got our green liquidity grab right over here. Now we're going to wait for that signal to form. And there we go. Because it's on the trading view backtesting, but when this candle closes immediately, you will see this immediately. So because of the trading view backtesting, the next candle is the signal will only show as soon as the next candle has started. So we want to enter our trade on the close of that candle as soon as the next candle starts and the signal is given. We're going to target a 1-to-1. So this is our reference as the break even right over there. Then we're going to target our full target. Remember, as soon as we are at break even, we are going to leave one trade open and we're going to close one trade and move everything to break even. So let's go for it. So stop loss right over there, TP right over there, and let's see how this trade plays out. There you go. So our first one got a break even, so we can close one trade, and then we're going to wait and see if the next one is going to be take profit. So we are break even now currently. Let's see what happens. There we go, and our second one was hit on TP as well. So let's look at the next example. There we go. So you can see we got our sell signal right over here, our liquidity that has been taking, the red circle. Now we just wait for that sell signal from the indicator. There we go. So we had our sell signal right over here. So we're going to enter our trade. We're going to put our stop loss there. We're going to target a 1-to-1 for our break even and partial position. Let's just mark this out as our point, break even. And our full TP is going to be there. So let's enter our trades. And let's see how price plays out. So waiting for break even. There we go. So we have our break even trade right over there. So we can close one position. We can move our stops to break even. And then let's see what happens. And as you can see, we got our TP right over there. So now again, after we hit TP here, we have our green circle. So liquidity has been grabbed. Let's wait for our buy signal. There we go. So we have our buy signal right over there. Just played a little bit too far. There we go. So we're going to enter the trade right over there. Stops right over there. Going to mark out our break even point. That's going to be right over here. And then our full TP is going to be here. So as you can see, we have one losing trade, and that's the end of this trade right over here. Let's play price forward. There we have a green signal. Liquidity has been grabbed. Now we're waiting for the buy signal. There we go. We have our buy signal right over here. Let's just go one back. Going to enter our trade right over there. Stops there. Going to target a 1-to-1 for our break even. Then we're going to target the full TP right over there. There we go. We got our break even. So we can close one position. We are going to move our stops to break even. And there we have our TP right over there. So during a course of a few trades, let's go to this back testing quickly. You can see exactly what trades we took. Let's go for an overview. So you can see our total P&L was $4,500, a total of 10 trades, 80%, so 8 out of the 10 was winning trade. Remember, each position we opened 2 trades, a profit factor of 4.8. Let's go to the performance. Here you can see all the gross profit, the gross loss, buy and hold returns. All your backtesting data will be here. Trade analysis, total trades, losing trades was 2, winning trades was 8 right over here, 4 was long, 4 was short, and here's all your backtesting status right over here, and here's the list of your trades. And as you can see, the overview is a nice 80% profit on these 10 trades. 5 positions, 2 trades per position, closed one at break even, and then the other one was at TP, and the losses we had was both of the trades went to stop loss. Nice and easy strategy. Please let me know what you think. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe, and then I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.